First question, which one of the following is the site for the active ribosomal RNA synthesis? So here correct answer is A, nucleolus. So this is the diagram of nucleus. न्यूक्लियस में जो डार्क स्पेरिकल बॉडी प्रेजेंट होती है उसे कहते हैं न्यूक्लियोलस एंड इट इज एक्टिव साइट फॉर द सिंथेसिस ऑफ राइबोसोमल आरएनए. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल्स? हेयर करेक्ट आंसर इज 4 A, B, C ओनली. फर्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या है देखते हैं. राइबोसोम्स आर मेड ऑफ 50 years and 30 years of units and such ribosome is called as 70 years ribosome which is present in bacteria, that is prokaryotic cells. They can have plasmids. This is also correct because some bacteria they possesses the plasmids, which is nothing but the extra chromosomal DNA molecule present in the cytoplasm of some bacteria only. They contain mesosome. Yes, infoldings of the plasma membrane form the mesosome inside the bacterial cell. Last one D, they have peroxisome. This is wrong. This is not the characteristic of prokaryotic cells because prokaryotic cells they do not possess various membrane bound organelles. Therefore, this is wrong statement. Next question, mitochondrial inner membrane encloses. So here correct answer is 1 matrix. Mitochondria में दो membrane होते हैं, outer membrane and inner membrane. So inner membrane is highly folded and inside this inner membrane there is presence of matrix and this matrix consists of DNA, RNA and ribosomes. Next question, match list 1 with list 2. So here correct answer is 2. Cristae infoldings in mitochondria. Cisternae, these are nothing but the disc shaped sacs in the Golgi apparatus. Thylakoids, flat membrane sacs in the stroma of chloroplast, and phospholipids which are present in the cell membrane forming the bilayer. The plastid that stores xanthophyll is known as. So here correct answer is 2 chromoplast. So chromoplast क्या है? ऐसे टाइप के प्लास्टिड्स होते हैं जिनमें फैट सोल्यूबल कैरोटिनॉइड पिगमेंट्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं such as xanthophyll, carotene and various other red pigments which gives colors to the flowers and fruits in the plants. Next question, endomembrane system includes. So here correct answer is 1 endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome and vacuole because functioning of all these 4 organelles is coordinated and that's why they are included in endomembrane system. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So here correct answer is 2 is the major site for the synthesis of lipids. दो टाइप्स के एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम होते हैं, रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम एंड स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम जो है दे आर एक्टिवली इन्वॉल्व इन protein synthesis, whereas smooth endoplasmic reticulum is the major site for the synthesis of lipids.